Welcome to another training video on using ComfortDev, the community of opportunities in development. In this short video, I'll show you how to upload your members as an intermediary organization. There are three ways of uploading your members on ComfortDev. Register each company manually, using the SOAP web service to integrate your existing membership system to ComfortDev. Upload member profiles from a spreadsheet. Registering your member companies manually is straightforward. You go to My Companies under My Account. Here you click Register It, followed by entering the details of the member company. It's important to select your organization as the validating organization, as well as selecting your organization as one of the affiliated organizations. Using the SOAP web service, you must already have a membership database. You must also have programming expertise so that you can implement the integration between ComfortDev and your existing system using the SOAP protocol. This method is advanced and can take a considerable amount of time to implement. However, for intermediate organizations with many new members and existing membership systems or CRM systems, this would be beneficial in the long run. Lastly, you can upload your members using a spreadsheet. The rest of this video will show you how to prepare and upload a spreadsheet containing your members. If you're currently managing your members in a spreadsheet, this will be a good start for preparing the upload. Typically, you will find that you need to modify your existing spreadsheet to fit the format required by ComfortDev. Let's first have a look at the required format for uploading to ComfortDev. Afterwards, we will customize an existing spreadsheet and upload it to ComfortDev. ComfortDev accepts plain text spreadsheets using a delimiter to separate the columns and lines. This format is also known as CSV, or comma-separated values. Note, however, that the column delimiter does not have to be a comma. It could, for example, be a pipe or a semicolon. Nevertheless, the format is still commonly referred to as CSV. For ComfortDev to accept your CSV file, the first line of values must be the names of recognized fields on ComfortDev. This list of recognized field names can be found on the upload page. Here you'll see fields such as name, contact name, and so on and so forth. It's important that you include at least the mandatory fields, as ComfortDev will not allow you to upload members without those fields specified. The required format can also be downloaded from the upload page. Since the CSV file is simple plain text, it can be opened and created in most modern spreadsheet applications, including Microsoft Excel and OpenOffice. In this example, I'll use Microsoft Excel to prepare my members for uploading. Here I've got a spreadsheet containing the members of my organization. The spreadsheet contains details that are not relevant on ComfortDev. I therefore delete the columns containing the irrelevant data. For the relevant columns, I rename the header rows, line 1, to match the fields supported by ComfortDev. We are missing two of the mandatory fields. We are missing the currency column and the contact country column. In our spreadsheet, we add these two columns in the end and enter the appropriate data for each row. The spreadsheet is now ready for uploading. We've deleted the irrelevant columns, changed the column headers to ComfortDev recognizable fields, and lastly added missing mandatory columns. Before we can upload the spreadsheet on ComfortDev, we must first export it using the CSV format. Looking at the import page on ComfortDev, you'll notice that it's suggesting to use pipes as separators instead of commas. The reason for this is that you may have columns containing text where one of the characters is a comma. If this was the case, the import would break as it has detected too many fields per row. An example of this is an address field where part of the address is separated using a comma. To avoid this situation, it's advisable to select a delimiter that does not occur in the text being imported, for example, pipe. To export the file in Microsoft Excel, click File and Save As. As the type, select CSV, delimited and click Save. Excel will warn you that you are changing the format. You'll notice that Excel didn't ask you for the delimiter. Hence, the standard delimiter, a comma, has been used. Changing the delimiter can be a bit tricky and cannot be done from inside Excel. Instead, you must change it in the Control panel under Regional Settings. Click Start and Control Panel. Double-click Regional and Language options. In the drop-down menu for Standards and Format, click Customize. You'll see the delimiter in the field named List Separator. Change the current value, a comma, to a pipe. Ensure that the field only contains a pipe and no spaces. Click OK and OK again. We must restart Excel for the change to be in effect. We can now follow the same procedure as previously. Click File and Save As. Select the CSV format and click Save and Confirm. We are now ready to upload the file on ComfortDev. Go to ComfortDev, click My Account and My Organizations. Select your organization. Scroll down to the Import options in the right sidebar. Click Import Member Companies. Click Choose File and select the exported CSV file, followed by clicking Import. We can see that all the companies were imported from the import feedback, and we can also see the details of each company by returning to the profile of the organization. Here we can see that the number of members has increased. Clicking More Info takes us to the list of all member companies. Need more help? Go to ComforDev and click the Help link on top of the page.